Hi, welcome back. So similar to the registration fragment logic, we need to reuse the logic in our login fragment. So I will copy and paste this logic inside login fragment and I will remove this default logic from here. Yeah, and what we need to do here, we just need to replace the register fragment to login and this fragment login binding. And here it is. Remain code is we need to keep it as it is. Similarly, for forgot password screen, this is forgot password screen binding. All right. Now coming to the login fragment. So what we need to do is similar to the registration logic, we need to utilize the same logic in our login fragment so that once user provide the email address and valid password, they should make able to log in. And if user click on forgot password screen, they should navigate to the forgot password screen. Similarly, if user click on registration text, user should navigate back to the registration screen. Now coming to the login fragment. So for that, what we will do, I will do binding dot text reset password, set on click listener, then navigation dot find nav controller, navigate resource ID, login to register. So this ID from where we are getting this ID, basically we already put in the navigation, mobile navigation. Okay, here you can see the many IDs are there. So it comes under the starter project. So you don't need to add anything. Now coming back to the login fragment. So we have done for the text reset password navigation. So whenever user click on this text, user should navigate to the forgot password screen. Okay, now coming to the create account CTA. So again, we have to bind dot create account button dot set on click listener. Once user click on this, whenever user click on create account button, user should navigate from login fragment to register fragment. Now here, observe view model dot auth status dot observe. Then we have to lifecycle owner status slow loading. It is false. And if so, for slow loading and navigation to main fragment, what I will do, I will reuse the logic from register fragment. Okay. So what I will do outside of this, not here. As outside of this, we need to utilize here. So this is not a register property. This is a login progress bar. A login progress bar. Then we have this sign in button. Sign in button. And this is our login progress bar. So see how we utilize our how so this how you how so in this fragment we reuse our logic from the previous fragment. So you can see I don't think so explain this logic, but I will explain again. So here what we did, we observe auth status from our view model. If login is successful, we hide the loader, so a success toast, save the user's FCM token, and then navigate to the main fragment. So here it should be login to main. If it is not, what I need to do is, yeah, it is there, login to main. Okay, now what we are missing here, now we need to make a sign in working. Now we need to add our sign in logic. So whenever you click on sign in button, you should provide the valid email and password and can make a login. So similar to the registration, what we did here, we provide the email address in the edit text in form of variable, and then password. If both are empty, user can see the toast message that email and password are required. Now our code is ready for login fragment. Now let me run the code in the emulator and see the output. Let's pass the email testing@gmail.com, then test 1 2 3 4 5. If I click on login, we can see the progress bar and we can see the login successful message and user navigate to the main fragment. So we have successfully connected login fragment UI to the login fragment logic with view model. Now in next video, we will connect the similar flow with our forgot password screen. So that's it for today. Thank you.